What's going on, everyone? It's Tafari back with another video, and I know I haven't made one in a while, but today I wanted to talk about how you can make 6 figures a year leveraging DoorDash in an online business. All right, let's get into it. All right, so I want to make this video a little bit new because I never actually went down into like strategies on how you can dive into leveraging your current income streams, or just income streams you've thought about to make just more money every year, to put more money in your pocket, and just become more financially independent and financially secured. So I wanted to dive into those strategies today, and I wanted to really target those users who are maybe thinking about door dashing, thinking about they're currently door dashing, and they just want to make more money. They want to be able to, be more financially free. A lot of people, they may be working a job and they're doing door dashers on the side. You may be door dashing full time, putting in 40, 50 hours a week door dashing, or you may even be just in general, just door dashing on the side, and, may have a business as well. So I wanted to, talk about how you can go about, making 6 figures a year, leveraging your income from DoorDash, and also, building an online business on the side, or building a business and, reverse door dashing on the side. So one of the first steps that you ever have to do, I'm going to dive into 3 steps. The first steps you really have to do whenever you're doing this is you want to get the mindset, okay? You want to have the mindset for building a business. You want to have the mindset to basically swap the way you think about making money. A lot of people think when they first got into DoorDash likes to pitch, want to make up to $20 an hour, when it's really getting paid per trips, or, paid per the miles on trips, or, how busy it's going on. So DoorDash is really a business, and you're kind of like a business owner. A lot of people have the mindset where they think money is made per hour, when money is really, if you really want to make a lot of money in this world, you want to get paid for, completing an action, getting a sale, a commission, doing a business deal, not for the odd number of hours you work. You want to have that entrepreneurial mindset where you may be doing this, you may not make money off of it at all. You're basically working for free and expecting, but when you complete a task, or you have success completing a task, that's where your money is made, okay? You want to think in the mindset where you're getting paid for having good sales, or you're doing good with sales, you're getting good ratings. You want to have that mindset where you just really want to just excel at whatever you're doing, but you don't want to think about getting paid per hour. Some of you guys may have a job, and you can use this strategy if you're getting paid per hour, so you're able to make your income more predictable. But once you actually, go into the strategies with DoorDash, you really learn how to leverage DoorDash and, build a little income that you are flexible to work and do anytime. You can leverage that income to build your online business, and that's what's really going to take you to, the six, even 7 figures, or, even, however much you want to make in this world. It's all about just scaling and moving on. So as I was saying, you want to get out that mindset. So after you've passed step 1, is basically getting out the mindset that you're going to get paid per action. When you want to get paid per action, or paid for whatever you're doing. You want to get paid when you do this. You get a payment of this, or not when you do it, but actually when you complete this, you have success or completing this action. You get paid a commission, or it varies, right? So how do we go about doing this when you're currently working a business, or when you're currently door dashing? What you want to do is, my recommendation is building a business on the side, okay? Building an online business, that's what this video pertains towards. Building an online business on the side that generates you an income from commission, sales, generating leads, or however it goes about, you getting paid for. You want to build a business that you can do on the side that runs in the background for whatever you're doing actively, okay? And how you build things in the background while you're functioning, or while you're working constantly and actively, is by leveraging your money. Now, this is step 2. Step 2 is learning to invest. When you're leveraging your money, you're learning to just invest in yourself. And there's a couple ways you can learn to leverage your money. First, you want to be able to educate yourself. Then you want to get the tools, and then you want to leverage your money to be able to drive the traffic, or basically function and flow your business. Think about a restaurant owner. A restaurant owner leverages their money when they're purchasing the food, or purchasing the food and the tools that they need. getting the real estate, the place that they need. They're leveraging their money, paying the real estate or getting the real estate for where they have their restaurant. And then they also they also leverage their money when they're paying their employees. They're all investing their money in order to grow their business. And then the other way is when they're marketing their business, they're leveraging their money to bring more customers in. They have to give customers flyers, do all the marketing tactics that are out there, just the basics or even the advanced stuff, to be able to grow their business and build their business. And this business owner may not even be in his own restaurant. He may just hire a bunch of people. He may own a McDonald's, or he may own a a family shop. It doesn't matter. But at the end of the day, he's going to leverage his money to be able to build his business. And it's simple as that. He's not afraid. He understands what he has to. When he puts investment in, he expects a return on his investment from the strategies to grow his business, or basically the long-term value of his business, the money and the revenue that he's bringing in, because he's getting paid basically for the performance of his business. That's how an entrepreneur will think. They get paid based off the performance of the business. When the business is having success, that's when more money is going to come into his pocket, not the number of hours he's putting in, because that's what the employee is going to do. Okay, your employees are going to do that. Your tools are going to work by the hour, not you. So you want to have step 2 is you want to have the mindset to basically be willing to invest and take action with investing, in whatever way that it comes, whether you have to buy the tools for your online business, whether you have to drive traffic for your online business, whether you just need to go and pay to educate yourself to build this online business. You want to be able to be willing to invest, and it could be at various amounts. Just be able to judge it based off be able to equate the value that you may be receiving to how much you may be putting in. Okay. So keep that in mind, So step 1, we're going to recover it again. You want to get out the mindset where the whole employee mindset where you're working by the hour, you're getting paid by hour, and you want to be more entrepreneurial driven. You're getting paid for achieving success or just completing tasks. You're getting paid for your service. Think of it like that, or selling something. That's more entrepreneurial. And then step 2 is you want to be willing to invest in whatever it takes. Okay. All right. And last but not least, step 3 to making 6 figures while functioning DoorDash is having a system. And I'm going to tell you how all three of these things work. People number one excuse is they don't have the time. And the reason they don't have the time is because, one, they don't either make no time, or they don't know how to organize multiple streams of income, or they don't know how to organize one thing over the other, because a lot of them think, oh, when they have another stream of income, they're getting another job, or, they're putting a lot of, hours into this other job, kind of like I clock out here and I'm going to clock in here. And that's not the point. We want to have a system that runs in the background of whatever we're doing throughout our day, that it's our active income, to build a passive income on the internet that requires little to no work, but we're leveraging our money to receive in a return on investment and more profits. So people think, oh, are you talking about like a money system? I'm like, no, not a money system. All right, everything is really a money system. A restaurant business model is a money system, in my opinion. If you put in the 6 figures investment and you do what it takes to build that system, that business, you get, let's say you start a Chick-fil-A and you put in, the 6 figures worth of investing to start that Chick-fil-A. That money, that system, that business model is basically a system. It has the employees, the managers, the cooks, all that. They work together in a system, and then they have the marketing, all that goes on around it to basically bring in revenue. And over time, you're going to get your return on your investment with this business model, this business system, to be able to make more money. Okay, you get what I'm saying? You're taking a system that is proven to work. You invest into it. You invest into advertising. Invest into invest yourself into hiring employees and paying them, and you're investing into the tools that you need to have a successful system. And basically, you let that run. You don't even have to be at that Chick-fil-A. You can literally have your employees run it for you, or your tools that run it for you, and it will function. It will bring you in revenue. And gradually, over time, you'll get your return on investment, and then you'll be in the profit stage, which is where we want to get. We want to get in that profit stage. And once you find something that's proven to work and that's successful, if it's already working, if you know that if you put $10, if you invest this much into your system and it's having success, all what's next is you have to scale from there. Once you're able to scale, that's when you're able to hit the 6-7 figures. And a lot of people are thinking, where am I going to get the money to do all this investing? Where am I going to get the money to, start a business? And when it comes to online businesses, they're not that expensive to start this day. They're not like restaurants where you're spending $100,000 or $10,000 to start off a business, they're really, you can start it with literally 50 bucks, 10 bucks, or even for free if you want to start a business. It's just all about going out there and finding your way and finding what you have to do to just be successful. And there's so many systems and income streams out there. I can really just go down. If you click the link below, I have a recommended system that you can leverage to build while you're DoorDashing. And a lot of people think, where am I going to get this money even at the end of the day? And the whole goal of this is to, while you're DoorDashing, while you're making your other stream of income, while you're DoorDashing, that's going to be your stream of income to fuel your business. Because look, I always tell people this. You can work hard, but let's be honest, you're not going to be DoorDashing for the rest of your 50, 60, you're not going to be DoorDashing for the rest of your life, let's be honest. And you're also, if you don't know how to make money in your sleep, you're going to be working for the rest of your life. And that's not the goal that I want. That's not the goal I have for my viewers. And, if you want to be ordinary, you want to live that average life, this channel isn't for you. But if you want to do more with yourself, you want to, really scale up and do better things, this may be for you, Leverage whatever you're doing. It doesn't matter if you have a job. It doesn't matter if you're doing DoorDash. Leverage this income to build a side business and let this side business become a full scalable business that causes you to quit whatever you're doing, Quit your job, quit your, your side hustles, or you could just keep your side hustles if it's convenient to you and be able to just scale up from there. I do currently, DoorDash to help me build my business, to run ads to my business, and it helps me make various amounts of income every single week. But I can't say that you're going to have the success that I have unless I don't know what you are like. I don't know if you're going to have take the action that I'm willing to take. So the best I can do is I can recommend something really crazy. Well, something for free that I really haven't done in such a long time is I recently created 2 books. And what I wanted to do is I wanted to actually give you these books for free. If you click the link below, you can access these books. And it basically made the difference between my business and my life. Things are really changing the way I think, the way I go about business, and it helps me become really successful in what I do. So I want you to actually access these books today for free. All you have to do is click the link below and you can access it right there, and it takes you through all the process of getting it, accepting it, and I'll get it right over to you. And maybe you can just let me know what you think about it. And, if you ever want to work with me, you could just hit me up on Facebook or social media and we can continue from there. I'm always giving out value. I always have so many bonuses to give out. So just continue to stay subscribed to this channel. Stay checking out my Facebook posts, and hopefully we can grind together. So remember, leverage your DoorDash income to build an online business, to start an online business. And then you want to remember, you have to get the mindset. Get out the whole employee working for hour mindset. Start becoming more entrepreneurial. Be willing to invest in yourself, and then leverage a system to save your time so you can make money in the background and make it more passively. Okay? And then have those things all functioning together. Of course, there's many more down to the nitty-gritty steps, but I can't put that all in just this video. But if you ever want to work with me, if you ever want to just do more with me, just hit me up sometime and I'll be able to give you more value. Continue to watch my videos. I'll be spitting out more facts, more value for you guys. So I can't wait to see you in the next one. Click the links below. I'm signing out. Peace.